dude, I know it feels like you're wasting time. Like you want results, like you want clarity, you want peace. And damn, like I want it now. But bro, understand that as men, we'll get frustrated and impatient waiting for a 90-second hot pocket. What makes you think that you can fix 10 years of pain in 10 days? You can't microwave manhood, bro. And you can't fast track healing. Like, you have to let it sit. You have to, like, marinate in it. You have to feel it. That's how the real stuff sticks. Rush growth? Yeah, it may look good on the outside, but I promise you on the inside, you'll still be frozen. So if you're tired of all the half-ass healing and the fake progress, come find me on Facebook and let's have a chat.